First of all, dear learner, I want you to introduce yourself. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Please go on.
Hi sir, good morning. My name is Alia and I'm from Indonesia. I'm 23 years old and I'm student college in the final year.
What do you study?
I'm studying psychology.
Oh, psychology. Okay, why did you choose this subject, psychology?
Okay, well, actually this is my own decision in the past. At the time, I think that I like to help other people. I like to understand other people's, and I think it's better for me if I know the knowledge about how to help and understand other people correctly. So yeah, I decided to take this major, psychology, to reach my own goals. That's it.
Absolutely. Okay, so the purpose to study this subject is all about helping people and understanding people. If you understand people, then it's going to be helpful for you, helping them also. Absolutely. All right. So can you tell me what is psychology? What is the definition of psychology?
Well, psychology is talking about how to understand and know more about human behavior. Yeah, that's it.
Absolutely. To study the human behavior, word psychology has been derived from the Greek word psycho plus logos, the study of human behavior. Why do people behave in particular way? What makes them to behave? To find the reason and to study about that will help us to understand people. Absolutely, I do appreciate you. And now you are in final year, so how do you feel in final year reaching?
I think all of the people in the final year, they have both feeling like happy and sad. Happy because they will graduate from the university, but sad they have to continue to the next part, and of course that's not will be easier but will be harder, and for me because sometimes I feel that those feelings as well, and I think sometimes I doubting myself, like do I deserve with this knowledge? I mean, I think I'm not quite understand enough about this major, when maybe someday people ask me as my help, and then I don't have quite about that knowledge. So I doubting myself, but I always try to be more positive, and not trying to stop myself to learn more about psychology. And I want someday I want to continue my study, my master's degree. That's why I have a plan for continuing my master's degree abroad, so I can get the knowledge about psychology better in the best university in the world. Yeah, helpful.
Absolutely, very good. I do appreciate you. And then okay, so how is the education in colleges and universities in your country? Because as for my country is concerned about some people going in college and studying at universities, they are not sometimes fully aware of like what they study, why they are in college, what they have to do. Just some people are for time pass, some wasting time and not much serious about their education, especially my country and my area is concerned about. Not all, I'm talking about some people are careless. I find that they just finish their 3 years, get their graduation, but not sound knowledge at all. Any topic they studied, just went for the time pass, little study and all, so not much serious. So how is education in your country in colleges and universities?
Okay, thank you. I think in the every countries it has their own system of education, right? So of course that's diverse with the how is the system of education in my country, in yours, and of course, and that's I think the definition of success of education not always about the system of education, but sometimes that's talking about the lecturer. Sometimes that's talking about the student. So all of them. That's yeah. I think must having the synchronized between all of them. You know that's yeah. Even though that university has their own system education, yeah, maybe we can say that this is the best system of education, but the student don't aware with themselves. They don't have awareness about the importance of education. So I think that system of education cannot say cannot be succeed in the future because the student don't aware with themselves. So yeah, that's what I said before, that all of them are very important to be synchronized, right? Yeah, so in my university, in my country, of course, they are diverse. Like some of them having their own purpose, like want to get the better job, and then want to get the best knowledge in the best university, or just fulfilling their parents want, you know, that yeah, sometimes yeah, like some of parents want their children to get the best knowledge, the best experience, but sometimes not related with their children wants. So I think yeah, sometimes it's hard for them to yeah, for reaching that goals. So yeah, I think that's point we have to yeah, focus on and fix it as soon as possible. That's it.
Absolutely. What are the favorite things that you like in your country the most?
Okay, so I can say that one thing that I like from my country is yeah, some of people here still paying attention about the politeness, you know, politeness with older people, and then yeah, politeness with stranger, and yeah, having love, yeah, like full of love and understanding with other people, even though with the younger people as well. Yeah, that's why I can say that. So like maybe tourists that yeah, like foreigner who visiting our country, we respect them, and then we help them as much as we can. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I think attitude is the most important, and yeah, higher than education and other aspects. You know, yeah, attitude is number one. That's it.
And it was really very good conversation with you.